Hi everyone. Okay, so Lena has launched its fourth wave for another task, and the reason we are doing this task is because we want to participate in airdrop. So, and the chances are higher that if we will participate and complete this task, we will get shortlisted for or whitelisted for the airdrop. Okay, to do this, if you want to just start, if this is your first time, go on interact.io. I will share the link in the description. And then second thing, you need to connect this website with your wallet. I would suggest MetaMask. And then you need to go click on Linea and you can come here. Okay, as you can see, there are two active waves. This is wave 0. This is the simplest one. You can just complete it and participate, so you don't have to do much work here. And then there we have already completed this one. This is third wave, while first and second wave were missed. But if you are doing this is first time, so then this first, second and third you must have missed now, but you still have chance to do the wave 0 and wave 4, which we are going to do now. Okay, first of all, click on wave 4 and click on lending and borrowing, and you need to do this task. You need to read it, and once this is completed, you will see here completed. And then this is the main task. And in this task, if you will complete this one, so there are chances, not chances, so then you will be able to complete this two of the bonus tasks. All the bonus tasks are not necessary, but if you will complete that, you will get some extra point. But since we are doing this one, so we'll try to cover some of the bonus tasks within it. Let's start. Make sure that you when you read these instructions, and as you can see, if we supply collateral will be a stable USDC, you will be able to verify bonus task 1. If the asset you supply will be LST, you will be also able to verify bonus task 2. But as a collateral, we are not supplying any of these. I'm gonna supply Ethereum or wrap Ethereum. Anyway, so I'll just do the next, and this. Okay, remember these are the three applications we need to borrow or lend from here. We cannot do any other, else it will not be verified. So this one, this app, we should not just because it has some verification failure problem. So it is possible that your task will not be counted. Also, another thing, after the task is completed, you can reclaim your uh, you can take back your coins that you have deposited into the website. Click here. Anyway, so I'm gonna select Linea Bank and click continue. Go to the project, and once you are here, you need to select a network. I'll just Linea because this is what we are gonna do. And I have already connected my wallet, so my balance is shown here. And second thing you need to do is click if you have any of this coin. For example, if you have Ether, so just click Ethereum, and maximum whatever amount is, it should be make sure that it is more than uh, $25, because that will be collateral, and then on behalf of that you will be able to borrow another one. Because to borrow on um, Defi, you have to deposit some assets as a collateral, so that is as a security. Okay, so first of all, I deposited here, so you can just click here, click maximum and supply, click on supply, and then authorize the transaction. I have already done that, so just wait a few seconds and it will be confirmed. As you can see, I have here supplied assets, and now I will just click as enable it as a collateral. So I'm gonna sign it. Okay, so this is signed, so this will be supplied as a collateral. And now what I'm gonna do is I will try to borrow some. Okay, my this transaction is successful, and now this Ethereum that I deposited, so it will be used as a collateral. Second thing, I need to borrow, so I will click on USDC and borrow, and we need to borrow around 25. Okay, so this is quite less, I think, because of the fees, so which is not so good. So what I'm gonna do is I will try to uh, put some extra money, but I don't have fund at the moment, so I will just fund my account and I'll do it again. So but you have seen the process, so process is simple. Just do that. Once you will click on USDC, just click on borrow and safe max, and as you can see that my amount, although it is more, but they are also counting some percentage or interest, so that's why I cannot borrow. So borrowable amount here is 25, so I think I can try it because they said okay, so I can borrow 25, so I will just borrow it. Okay, the transaction, oh my god, the fees are damn high. Okay, I cannot reduce. The problem is there is, you don't have enough Ethereum. Okay, see, that's the problem. I still need to fund the account. Anyway, so you guys have seen the process. Once this is done, you can go back on interact request and click on start verification. Once this is done, so you can complete the task, and once that task is done, so you can take back your coin, and when you have taken back, so you can repay your loan by repaying here. Just click here and click repay what you have chosen, so click on max and repay all. It will be repaid, and your third task, that bonus task, will be completed also. But make sure that you don't do immediately. First borrow the amount and do the verification. Once this is completed, immediately after that you can repay and take your fund, and this will be taken out as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Please let me know if you have any other queries, so I will try to reply your comments.